I've picked up another $1,001 bills in hopes to find any fancy serial numbers, rare star notes, older bills, or some printing errors. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. Like I said in the intro, we have $1,001 bills to hunt today. And if you've been watching all along with all of my bill hunts, this is from a different bank. I have not gone to this bank in a while and picked up bills. I was going to go back to that same bank because it's been pretty hot lately, but I figured I'd mix it up and try a different branch. So hopefully we get some collectible bills in here. Now, if you're new to my channel or new to bill hunting, I have a lot of resources and clickable links listed down below in the video description. Feel free to check that out. Or if you like my collectible US paper notes bill hunting mat, which has a bunch of information about collectible bills, I also have a link to that right there. Now, because these are 10 straps of 100 bills in each, we're hoping for at least 10 star notes. That's one star note per strap. We also want to find any collectible notes listed on the mat. We want to find any older notes. And of course, we're looking for some of the web notes or bar notes, star notes, you name it. We're going to begin with this first one right here. And as always, I'll bring you guys in if I have a super nice note. But if I don't, I'll give you guys strap recaps at the end of every strap. Wish me luck. We have 10 straps to hunt. Let's find some collectible bills. We have finished hunting the first strap. We did get a star note, our first star note of the hunt. It does have a lot of creases, but for those wondering, we always plug in the star notes at the end of the video to see if we have any rare ones. This one's 2021, and if I recall in my last hunt, the B series are not part of any rare ones, but we'll figure that out at the end. For now, it's good starting off with a star note. Only one find. Let's see if we have more than that in strap number 2. We finished strap number 2, and there was no keeper notes, just a couple of honorable mentions. First, I'll start with the bill on the right. I only kept it because it's a newer note, and had we got this one to be the 2 zeros at the end, it would have been nice to have 111, 000, 00, or even 2 more ones for that matter. Either way, another close call, only 28 bills off, or even 17 bills off a great one, but it's not. And then I pulled this one out only because it has a radar. If we didn't have that last 0 there, if we'd slid the 62 over one more and had a 3 in the middle, it would have been 2633 and then 3362. Close to being a radar, it's just not. Just want to share a couple of close calls with you guys. 2 straps down, only 1 star note so far. We need some help, and we'll strap 3, give that to us. Strap number 3 was another bust. No star notes, no keeper notes, although I am keeping both of these notes because they're notes from 1999. And as you know, I've been keeping all of the bills below 2000 recently. So we'll just add those to my older bills stack. Pretty tough hunt so far. Only one real find, 3 straps in. Come on, strap number 4. Help us out. Strap number 4 was the best strap so far. Nothing fancy, but we got 2 more star notes for a total of 3 through 4 straps. And then 2 more 1999 bills. We'll take them and add them to the old bill stack. All right, that looked a lot better this time. Hopefully strap 5 can do the same thing. Strap number 5 was a good one for star notes. We got 3 more in that strap, so now we have 6 star notes through 5 straps. Still waiting for our first fancy serial number. Hopefully we can find one in the second 5 straps, but not too bad so far. All right, strap number 6. Kick us off nicely for the second half of the hunt. Unfortunately, strap 6 didn't kick us off nicely. Nothing to talk about, no finds. Hopefully strap number 7 will change that. Strap number 7 gave us our 7th star note, so we're still on track for that one every strap hunt that we like. Couple of close calls, but not keepers. Almost a super repeater. Super repeater means 2 numbers repeated 4 times. Obviously, kicking off with 70 is not a good number, but had it been an 85, it would have been 85, 85, 85, 85. Those are very collectible, but that's not one of them. And then it's not really that cool, but man, it almost looks cool. If you look at it in a lot of different ways, 345, 435, 43, there's a lot of 3, 4s, and 5s, and reading it backwards is 345, 345, 43. Kind of cool, but not one I'd keep, just one that caught my eye. All right, one more star note. Like I said, we now have 7 through 7 straps. Come on, strap number 8. Strap number 8 had no star notes or fancy serial numbers, but it did have a 1995 note. And as I've mentioned in other videos, you definitely want to check your series 88A, 93, and 95, so what's known as a web note. I have information about web notes down below in the video description, but basically, you're looking for the printing plate number to be above 1, not below. When I flip this one over and we take a look at it, The printing plate is below, so it's definitely not one that we want to be concerned about. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and keep it though because it's below 2,000. We'll add it to the older bills. All right, that is now officially 8 straps down. Only 2 more straps to go. Strap number 9 gave us our 8 star notes. We need 2 star notes in that last strap, and it seems like we've been doing that a lot lately. Put that over there. And then we had a older bill, just a $19.99. We'll add it to the older bill section. 1 strap to go. We need 2 star notes or something fancy. Well, strap number 10 tried. It gave us 1 more star note for a total of 9. It seems like we end with 9 a lot lately, but that's how bill hunting goes sometimes, not 10. And really no fancy serial numbers. We had close calls as normal, but just some older bills here, and really only 1 from 95. The rest are all 99. So definitely kind of a tough hunt unless we have some rare star notes. Let me go ahead now, plug all these star notes into the star note lookup site, and I'll bring it back with a recap of what I found out and some final thoughts on this 10 strap hunt. All right, we have finished plugging all of the star notes into the star note lookup site, and unfortunately, none of these are going to be more rare at all. They're all part of either large print run sizes or total print sizes. So nothing rare here, and based on the circulated condition of all of these, typically star notes like these will fetch you 2 to 3 times face value, maybe only face value for this damaged one. But either way, it was fun going through them, and we had 1 close call. Had this started off with 064, it would have been a 500,000 printed run note, so that would have been nice, but it's just a little bit off. Either way, kind of a tough hunt, but we added some star notes to our collection, as well as some older bills. And of course, you got to go through straps like this if you ever plan on finding rare ones. We didn't find any rare ones today, but I had a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys had fun too, and if you did, I sure would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.